Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you a fashion earrings made from the recycled plastic bottles of mineral water. This is the transformation of the plastic bottles from the mineral water. I have here a plastic bottles. Look at this. This is a mineral, aqua mineral natural for Tita Bina. This is a mineral water. These plastic bottles, from these plastic bottles, I cut out these plastic bottles into a square shape, this one, and fix with a small beads by using adhesive glue. Just fix adhesive glue and fill the plastic with the small beads. So from this side, fill up a small amount of adhesive glue and fill this white color or beige. Then after, fix the light blue, then next color pink, then green, white, and gray. This is the transformation of the plastic bottles. Look at this. This is the plastic bottles which I cut out, rectangular shape, fix with the glue, adhesive glue, and fill the glue with small beads. And after that, punch a hole here and fix 2 rings and a hook. So this is now the transformation of the plastic bottles of the mineral water. So this is the plastic bottles of the mineral water which I am using for these fashion accessories. This is the plastic bottles from Tita Bina mineral water. So if you like this project, just give a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to SGM Creations Tutorials so that you will learn how to create different projects. And in my channel, you will learn how to recycle and transform into a unique, beautiful project out from plastic waste. So this is one way of recycling and creating beautiful fashion accessories. So just watch my playlist beadworks tutorials so that you can follow step by steps on how to create these fashion accessories. Okay, so I hope you get an idea already on how to recycle plastic bottles of mineral water and transform into unique and beautiful fashion accessories. So thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe so that you will learn how to create this project, how to recycle plastic bottles and transform into unique and beautiful fashion accessories. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching and supporting SGM. Bye bye and see you again. Ciao.